Trump legal cases and presidential election 2024. February 23, 2024. Hello and welcome back to News Media Hant's Daily Digest. Trump's trial calendar reflects his delay tactics. Donald Trump's legal battles are unfolding with intricate timing and strategic maneuvering. With a New York judge firming up trial dates, the spotlight now shifts to the unfolding drama of his criminal proceedings, particularly regarding allegations of election manipulation through hush money payments. The trial, slated to commence on March 25 in Manhattan, promises to be a pivotal moment in Trump's legal saga, potentially laying bare the complexities of his past actions. In New York, Trump faces staggering penalties totaling approximately $454 million, a consequence of fraudulent inflation of assets to bolster his net worth and gain financial advantages. This includes approximately $355 million in disgorgement and over $98 million in prejudgment interest at a 9% annual rate. Judge Arthur Engoron's scathing ruling not only levied substantial fines but also imposed a 3-year ban on Trump's involvement in New York corporations and access to loans from New York financial institutions. In the meantime, the federal case in Washington, initially expected to take precedence, faces a web of uncertainties. Trump's immunity claims have injected complexity into the proceedings, leaving trial dates contingent upon the actions of the U.S. Supreme Court. The timing of trial proceedings remains uncertain, with potential trial durations estimated at around 100 days. Depending on the court's decision, trial timelines could vary significantly, impacting the trajectory and outcomes of the case. The timing of these trials holds profound implications for both sides. As prosecutors navigate the legal landscape, they're keenly aware of Trump's apparent strategy to employ delay tactics, potentially extending legal proceedings beyond the upcoming election. For Trump, the stakes couldn't be higher. The outcomes of these trials not only determine his legal fate but also carry profound political implications, shaping the landscape as he angles for a potential return to power. Trump's legal quagmire, threats of asset seizure and national security concerns. The legal entanglements facing Donald Trump deepen as warnings of asset seizure and national security implications emerge. New York State Attorney General Letitia James issued a stark ultimatum, indicating that Trump could face the loss of his assets, including iconic buildings in New York City, if he fails to pay the hefty $355 million fine imposed in his civil fraud case. James emphasized her commitment to ensuring that the judgment is enforced, underscoring the potential consequences for Trump's financial empire. General Letitia James has issued a stark warning that Trump's properties in New York, including the iconic 40 Wall Street, could face seizure if he fails to pay the fine. This legal battle intensifies the pressure on Trump, adding another layer of complexity to his legal woes. Furthermore, revelations by prosecutors collaborating with special counsel Jack Smith have heightened concerns over Trump's handling of sensitive documents. Allegations suggest that Trump retained documents at his Mar-a-Lago resort in Florida, containing information about the U.S. nuclear program and possible vulnerabilities. This revelation underscores broader national security implications, raising questions about Trump's management of classified information and potential risks to domestic security. As the legal drama unfolds, Trump's legal team is strategically maneuvering to delay the trial and challenge the prosecution's tactics. With a trial scheduled for May, Trump's lawyers are seeking a delay while simultaneously seeking dismissal of the case, alleging selective prosecution and misconduct by prosecutors during the investigation. Despite the mounting legal challenges, Trump remains resolute in his defense, setting the stage for a contentious legal battle ahead. Trump's bid for delay denied as judge moves to finalize $355 million civil fraud order. In a significant legal setback for former President Donald Trump, Judge Arthur Engoron has rejected Trump's request to postpone finalizing the $355 million civil fraud judgment. The judge's decision, conveyed via email to Trump's lawyers and the New York Attorney General's office, underscores the urgency of the case. Once the judgment is officially entered, Trump faces a 30-day deadline to file an appeal, during which he must provide cash or post bond to cover the substantial financial penalties. Engoron's email rebuffed Trump's plea for an additional 30-day delay, citing a lack of justification from Trump's legal team. The judge signaled his intention to approve the proposed judgment submitted by the New York Attorney General's office, emphasizing its alignment with the court's previous decision. Furthermore, the judge extended the tenure of an independent monitor tasked with overseeing the Trump Organization's compliance, highlighting the ongoing scrutiny facing Trump's business dealings. Engoron's firm stance underscores the gravity of the legal ramifications for Trump and his family, signaling a pivotal moment in the ongoing legal battles surrounding the former president. Trump allies launch well-funded super PAC ahead of potential rematch. Former President Trump's allies in Florida have launched a well-funded super PAC aimed at supporting his potential candidacy in the next general election, with Trump family insider Sergio Gore appointed as CEO. The creation of Right for America comes amid growing optimism within Trump's circle about his chances of defeating President Biden in a rematch, providing Republican donors with a new avenue to channel their support. The super PAC's inaugural donor, billionaire Ike Perlmutter, a close friend of Trump and a member of Mar-a-Lago, underscores the high-profile backing behind the initiative. Perlmutter's significant contribution marks a continuation of his support for Trump, having been one of the former president's top donors in the 2020 election cycle. While Right for America positions itself as complementary to the existing pro-Trump super PAC, Make America Great Again Incorporated, MAGA PAC, concerns have been raised within Trump's orbit about entrusting such a pivotal endeavor to individuals lacking experience in managing similar-sized enterprises. Despite these reservations, Gore affirms the super PAC's commitment to securing Trump's re-election, emphasizing their dedication to the cause. With Gore at the helm and support from other board members such as Lee Rizzuto and Anthony Lomangino, both with ties to Trump and extensive backgrounds in business and politics, Right for America aims to bolster Trump's political fortunes as he navigates the intricate landscape of American politics. America faces inevitable Biden-Trump rematch with mounting uncertainty. As Americans brace for the 2024 presidential election, the prospect of a rematch between Joe Biden and Donald Trump looms large, eliciting widespread discontent among voters. A January Reuters/Ipsos poll underscores this sentiment, revealing a clear majority of Americans expressing fatigue with the idea of another Biden-Trump showdown. Concerns about the candidate's age further exacerbate apprehensions, with Trump, at 78, facing 91 criminal charges across multiple jurisdictions. Despite these reservations, both Biden and Trump are determined to pursue another term, capitalizing on the inherent advantages of incumbency within the political system. Thomas Schwartz, a presidential historian, highlights Trump's quest for vindication, suggesting that a second term could serve to validate his baseless claims of election fraud. Clifford Young, president of Ipsos Public Affairs, notes Trump's unwavering support among his base, which has propelled him through the primaries, emphasizing the formidable influence of ideologically fervent voters in the electoral process. In a parallel narrative, Biden's aspirations for re-election stem from a desire to solidify his achievements and fortify the Democratic Party against the looming threat of another Trump administration. Despite criticism from progressive factions within the party, Biden's legislative victories and foreign policy engagements have positioned him as a formidable contender. However, Democrats face a high-stakes gamble, with Biden's weak poll numbers and questions about his age leaving the party with no viable alternative. Elaine Kamark of the Brookings Institution underscores this dilemma, highlighting the absence of a plan B for Democrats as they navigate the complexities of the upcoming election cycle.
Hi Hans Genius. Before you leave, thanks for your dynamic participation to our discussion threads. Please consider sharing a clip with your friends and network to grow our community. Remember, we value your polite and substantive comments.
Thanks for watching. If you like it, comment and hit the like and share buttons. Subscribe for future videos.